Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I have this cool episode right here, and pretty much what this is a microphone. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called Blue, that's under the Logitech brand. For this one in particular, it's called a Yeti X, which is one like the newer microphone compared to what I reviewed in the past in terms of the Yeti microphone. So the way how they designed this product is perfect for people to use for gaming, for streaming, or doing podcasts. And right here, you can see it does mention how it does have multi-pattern USB when you guys do use it. If you guys turn inside right here, they do provide some specs and features about the product. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Once you guys do open up, here's what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide the cable. If you guys do take it out, the cable inside is a USB to micro USB cable that you can use to power on the device. Right underneath that, you can see they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So you can see right here, it does show you guys how to use it. So I don't use like this and not like this. And they show you guys how to use different pattern and what it's for. So whether if you guys are using for an interview, or if you guys are doing podcasts, or if you guys want to record the audio from all different directions, you do have the option available, which is pretty cool. And on this side right here, show you guys how you do have the option to change the volume, the gain, and etc. And then right underneath that, we do have the product that's all well protected. So take it out. So once you guys take out the protection layer, right underneath that, we do have the microphone. So take it out. Once you guys do take it out, you can see how it's all needs to wrap up. Let's take out the wrapper as well. Once you guys do take out the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So the way how they design it is very similar to what you guys do get for the Blue Yeti microphone. You do have the rotatable option to move it around if you guys do need to. On the side is where you guys want to twist it to lock it in that position if you guys want to keep it right there. So just like this. So once you guys twist it to lock it makes it harder for you guys to move it. On the bottom of the product, they do have like the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And also help you guys prevent it from scratching the surface when you guys do use it. On the side of the product, it does have this very nice material that I believe like a stainless steel or something. But it does feel really high quality when you guys do feel it. Top out right here, we do have the microphone where you can use. And like I mentioned for the product, it allows you guys to use in different directions. Whether if you guys only want the front and the back, or if you guys want it all around, you do have the option to use it however you guys want to. On the front part right here, it does have the brand name Blue. And then right here is where you can adjust the volume and the gain. So you can turn left and right to adjust it. And I believe what you guys want to do is to press and hold it. And that is how you guys change the different settings. And if you guys turn to the back part right here, they also have the brand name. And here is where you can change the different pattern. If you guys want to record from the front, the front and the back, or all around. And you see how it does give you guys a logo or a symbol on here to let you guys know what you guys want to change to. Same thing for the front part right here. I'm assuming once you guys do plug it in, it will light up. And also throughout the product, when you guys feel the materials on here, it does feel really high quality, just like the other Blue Yeti microphone as well. And when you guys do look at the bottom, here's what the bottom part looks like. So they do have a headphone jack for you to plug in if you guys want to. And that is where you can plug in cable to actually activate it. And for the product, when you guys do use it, they mention how there's 4 capsules inside to give you guys better clarity and focus when you guys do use it. So that is everything that's on the product. Before I actually test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys what it looks like. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see how it does light up. And pretty much when you guys are talking, it shows you guys the volume setting on here in terms of how loud it is. If you guys do turn it, it does show you the light to show you guys a different level when you guys do adjust it. If you guys press and hold it, it changes a different mode. So whether if you guys want to control volume or gain, it does show you guys the indicator light. Just like that, if you can see. And if you guys turn to the back, right here in the back, it shows you guys the indicator light in terms of what you guys are using as well. So each time you guys do press on it, it does change a different pattern, which is really cool. And when you guys do press on it one time, I'm assuming that is how you guys do mute it. You can see how there's no light that pops on. Once you guys do press again, the light turns back on. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. Now let's plug this into my computer and test it out to show you guys what the audio sounds like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right now I do have this connected onto my Mac Studio. You can see right here. You can see how when I'm talking, it does light up. So let's test out the audio on here and show you guys what it sounds like. So once you guys go on the computer, you can see right here, we do have it on for the recording option. You guys want to select what you want to use. I'm going to use the Yeti X. So I do click on it. Eventually it starts working. So what I'm going to do is to talk directly onto the microphone and record the audio to show you guys what it sounds like. And then for the video, this is what you're going to see. So I do press record. Literally what you guys are listening to right now is the audio that's coming from this microphone. If you guys can hear what it sounds like. Now let me actually listen to this audio and see what it sounds like. So what you guys just heard, using the gain is almost halfway. You can see. If I do lower the gain, let's see what happens. Let's use it about there. So let's try again. Alright, so what you guys are listening to right now is the updated version when we turn down the gain. If you guys can hear this, what it sounds like. Now I'm actually listening to the audio and see what it sounds like. So after listening to the audio, if I can hear, it actually sounds pretty good. Definitely sounds a lot better than using like a regular microphone or the microphone for a camera. Does give you guys that high quality professional studio microphone setting when you guys do use it, which is pretty awesome. And I also love the fact that how it does light up to show you guys when actually working and show you guys what you guys use as well, which is definitely a lot better than the previous version. So whether if you guys want to use it for interview, for podcast, for streaming or live streaming, however you want to use it, you can see it does work. Welcome back guys. So you can see when we do test out the product, it definitely does work. It should work quite well. You can hear the audio definitely sounds really good when you guys do use it, which is really awesome if you guys want to get the best experience for live streaming or for podcast, which is pretty awesome. And it's literally so easy for you to set it up. Literally all you need to do is just plug it in directly onto your computer or your device and it starts working immediately. And they mentioned for this product it works for PC or Mac, but that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality condenser microphone that can use for recording stuff, live streaming, or for a podcast, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.